how to find creator verification on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find creator verification easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here, you're gonna find on For You page those three lines up top there. Click on it. Like you see now, you have the first option, which is creator verification. Click on it, and here you're gonna find your creator verifications, and this is it. So this is it guys, just go on For You page, click on those three lines, and you're gonna find the first option, which is creator verifications, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.